Hello everyone, welcome back to CraftLoaded. Today, I'll show you how to build the upper receiver and folding stock for this DIY cardboard MCX Spear LT. Before we begin the tutorial, let me show you some of its features. The charging handle is fully functional and automatically opens the dust cover when pulled back. The forward assist is also functional and can be pressed just like on the real rifle. The bolt catch works together with the lower receiver. Pull the charging handle to the rear and press the bolt catch to lock the bolt open. Insert the magazine, then press the bolt release to send the bolt forward. Just like chambering a new round. The folding stock can be folded and unfolded smoothly. A full-length Picatinny rail is installed on top for mounting optics and accessories. Finally, the upper and lower receivers can be separated just like the real rifle. Before we begin the tutorial, make sure to download the printable templates from the link in the video description. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare templates number 1 and number 2. Step 2. Glue template number 2 on top of template number 1. Step 3. Glue template number 3 on top of template number 2. Step 4. Attach template number 4 to the front end of template number 2. Step 5. Glue template number 5 on top of template number 3. Step 6. Prepare templates No. 6 and number 7. Step 7. Glue template number 7 on top of template number 6. Step 8. Attach another template number 4 to the front end of template number 7. Step 9. Prepare a 2 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 10. Attach it to one side of the upper receiver as shown in the video. Step 11. Attach the opposite side of the upper receiver to close the assembly. Step 12. Prepare 2 cardboard strips, each measuring 5 mm wide and 4 mm thick. Step 13. Glue the strips onto the top of the upper receiver as shown. Step 14. Prepare several cardboard strips as shown in the video. Step 15. Glue them onto the top of the receiver as shown. Step 16. Attach several small cardboard strips to both sides of the upper receiver to act as internal supports. Step 17. Prepare template No. 8 and a 1.2 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 18. Attach the assembly to both sides of the upper receiver as shown. Step 19. Prepare template No. 9 and a cardboard strip. Step 20. Install the assembly at the front of the receiver to create the mounting rail for the handguard. Step 21. Attach the Picatinny rail to the top of the upper receiver. The tutorial is available in my YouTube shorts or through the link in the video description. Step 22. Attach template No. 10 to the side of the receiver. Step 23. Prepare templates number 11 and number 12. Step 24. Glue the parts on top of template number 10 to form the brass deflector. Step 25. Prepare templates number 13 and number 14. Step 26. Shape the parts as shown in the video. Step 27. Prepare a paper tube and a spring as shown. Step 28. Insert the paper tube into the previously assembled part, then insert the spring inside. Step 29. Attach the completed assembly next to the brass deflector to create the forward assist. Step 30. Cover the exposed side with small cardboard pieces as shown. Step 31. Prepare 2 small paper tubes. Step 32. Attach them to the side of the receiver. Step 33. Attach template number 16 to the side of the receiver as shown. Bolt section. Step 34. Prepare templates number 17 and number 18. Step 35. Shape the parts as shown in the video. Step 36. Glue template number 19 over the opening, then cover the rear opening with cardboard. Step 37. Attach template number 20 to the top of the bolt. Step 38. Prepare template number 21. Step 39. Prepare templates number 22 and number 23. Step 40. Glue the parts onto template number 21 as shown. Step 41. Prepare 2 copies of template number 24 in a 1.2 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 42. Wrap the cardboard strip around the center between the 2 template number 24 pieces, then attach the assembly to the front end of the bolt. Step 43. Prepare several small cardboard pieces. Step 44. Attach them to the front of the bolt to create the bolt head details. Step 45. Prepare templates No. 25. number 26, and number 27. Step 46. Shape and attach the parts to the front of the bolt as shown. Step 47. Prepare a paper tube and several cardboard pieces. Step 48. Attach them to the bottom of the receiver to create the hinge support for the dust cover. Step 49. Prepare template number 28 with a paper tube already attached underneath to serve as the hinge. Step 50. Attach template No. 29 and thin cardboard strips to create the details of the dust cover. Step 51. Attach rubber bands to the charging handle and the bolt as shown in the video. Step 52. Insert the charging handle into the top of the upper receiver first, then insert the bolt underneath. Finally, hook the rubber band to the front of the upper receiver as shown. Step 53. Prepare the dust cover assembled earlier. Attach a magnet to the top, then prepare a bamboo skewer and a spring from a ballpoint pen, shaped as shown in the video. Step 54. Install the dust cover using the hinge pin. Place the spring between the two paper tubes, with one end connected to the dust cover and the other to the receiver body. Then attach another magnet to the bolt. Step 55. Prepare the receiver hinge pins. Step 56. Join the upper receiver to the lower receiver and secure them using the hinge pins. Stock section. Step 57. Prepare templates number 31 and number 32. Step 58. Glue template number 32 on top of template number 31. Step 59. Make a hole at the marked point on the template. Step 60. Repeat the same process to make the opposite side. Step 61. Prepare a 7 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 62. Glue the cardboard strip onto one side of the stock as shown in the video. Step 63. Attach the opposite side of the stock to close the assembly. Step 64. Attach template No. 30 and a foam pad to the rear end of the stock to create the butt pad. Step 65. You can attach small metal rods to both sides of the stock to recreate the details inside the adjustment slots, just like the real stock. Step 66. Sand all the areas highlighted in blue. Repeat the same process on the opposite side to achieve the final shape. Step 67. Prepare template number 33. Step 68. Prepare a 1.5 cm long paper tube and an empty ballpoint pen refill. Step 69. Attach the paper tube to the side of template number 33, positioning it 1.2 cm below the top edge. Then insert the empty pen refill into the bottom of the paper tube as shown in the video. Step 70. Prepare template number 34. Step 71. Attach template number 34 to the bottom of the paper tube. Step 72. Sand the cardboard to match the shape shown in the video. Step 73. Prepare templates number 35 and number 36. Step 74. Glue template number 36 on top of template number 35. Step 75. Prepare template number 37, a 1.3 cm wide cardboard strip, and template number 38, which has already been bent to match the rear Picatinny rail on the lower receiver. Step 76. Assemble the parts as shown in the video. Step 77. Insert the previously assembled templates number 35 and number 36 into the slot of the assembly. Step 78. Attach a paper tube to the end of the assembly. Step 79. Prepare several small cardboard pieces and another paper tube. Step 80. Attach these parts to the top of the assembly to create the hinge mount. Step 81. Prepare a hinge pin and a spring. The spring is optional and may be installed if desired. Step 82. Insert the spring into the paper tube of the part made in Step 33. Step 83. Position the assembly between the two paper tubes. Insert the hinge pin through the center and glue it securely in place. Step 84. Attach the fixed end of the stock to the rear Picatinny rail. Then slide the mounting assembly onto the rear of the lower receiver to complete the stock installation. And thanks for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss part 3 of this DIY cardboard MCX Spear LT build. If you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.